Something's happening at the Typhoon Lagoon. Maybe we'll find Lee's out there. We're at Typhoon Lagoon, looking for Lee's. Hopefully we'll find her. Lee's? Lee's? How about the Tim Tracker? He's been here. Just hanging out, seeing where Lee's may be. Where could Lee's be? I don't know. No. I'll find her eventually. I'll find her eventually. Where's Lee? Where's Lee? Lee, where are you? Lee, where are you? Are you on the top of the bridge? No. Where's my wife? Is that a waterfall? That's a waterfall. We're coming towards the waterfall. That's a pretty waterfall right there. Hey, Mickey, I see it. It's the only one. I found it. Yeah. We found a traffic jam. That was wet. Now we're in the water. Lee's is not in the cave. Lee's is not in the cave. Are those buzzards circling overhead? Please. I'm scared now. Where's my wife? Please. Please. Please.
Yeah, you might want to look behind you.
All right, can I survive this? Nope, I'm getting hit. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. They cheated.
There's our exit.
There's our exit.
You got wet.
And I got wet.
You really went the worst way, didn't you?